Uya kegimana indo mwacho murigera Getembe TV bweri tukuria gatano na kabero mutinyo gatatu mwaka bwe netano na gosogeire announce ya sorry ritukerere gari ya Juma na nakwarigeneria SMS Ekeonga Chinsa Isano na Ibere ngoma Nyamaya kuro Chinsinyo ao mensi ya Kenya anena mara ritukerega babwatani bo moraiwe kya makerika ODM moskera ira morodinga bakanyerete bene okoraria komordaisi yoyo Raila Odinga ke yama Ekeonga Chinsa Isano na Ibere nchenga treni Nyaboga kama na ncho iko mwario bakoneria ibintu byabo asepare kogenda echire daraja mbiri mucho bosongo anene angene supermarket ya kwikimati nigo besokire na komuru ekore asaba chogibe county ya Kisii bachakire ko baseria korwa ase ayo asabana besokire na kubore mu governor we county ya Kisii ko budigereria buya engane yo ene kogerabuna igabuna bakonyara chibesa cyabo asaba ko gore ndagera nabo kwegendria asubugima bwakera rituko
asa mareka ngoro twa James yo aspiring chairman Kisii municipality bodaboda kugonda getengo aneno mugaba no itaisa service power simba arati abantu bepigipingo batseginere pi ani namagane yebango bayigwerete pi asa muroberindo kwesi yako tuwaranye byako yoroberi byako rangerie tumuyigwerete pikane rojoretwe one yendo twatumirie nekise gitubangeire ne county 19 years muroberi yese
ngoro kwedo adishem chairman daraja mbiri nubia ninchorire kotineka ye chiro ya daraja inche na changu eta na renge nanyora aba chogi bago seri abantu ase ground na tene nororo na tewe ndeke inge take over inge kwanire ndeke ndrose ninge kore na tema kubaereza kubakwanira nanyora mbate tubondegerera abagonde ibatuchora abantu batotweka togenda obisi maria tujibote wa mangana
sama gitangoro kumiklasya menya narabeire nsaiga asama tubatari mate hamwe myaka sisi 2000 ndo makoni bo munyatero bonsaiga parana nange gotwarigereri gaiga mumutinyo yo tage toro koru mutinyi gatitara 15 bando baito babeire bakoro twebi bonsaiga moyo wara litukeri mali tukolinde mambi ya basirani baje kwa Isano baito.
Hii kitu imeenda kama wiki mbili tatu. Na watu bila wanakutiwa wajaambiwa mahali pa kuenda kutandika. So tunataka kujua nani akona hii ripoti. Wametafuta watu wanaenda kutandika. Sasa hao watu wakisaidie.
Abana bangina baito tobegetega. Tobe kujipengo abangina baito. Nindu to koreregas poko minyoka ya to ndo to koreregas into azabangina baito indu to konyora nyina indu to kenda to beka bangina baito into torabe abangina baito bagoja banga ijo mugaba nana go sabire tegente ko okerengererie
na togotigana nayo nigobona ribabulio ko barinda abana babo chinga kichonsi ayani gagocha magigajo mwana bwe myaka 10 gosire bugima bwaye ase swimming pool wiki ya eta ensemwa kamuru rwai county ya Nairobi asibona yamate ni familia yasokire kubore serikali kubakonya konyoro bwene bwo mwana uyu obetika gusira asayo
ronde ga kamuru kuombolesa na familia abayibori ba patience kwamboka omwana uyu okwerete ese swimming pool ngai ga kamuru eko ku Kamulu Kids Play Park. Omwana agacha kwa kontimbu for the first day. Swimming pool eyo tebwat life savers. Tebwat bantu bali bakolenda abana. Omwana agatoka depend asirete akwere toro.
Mwana one ya tuwarenganya Chinsa Isano chamambi. Agasoka piko simba bwateli tukulikuru kuma social Sunday ya kanisa. After being inducted on a Sabbath yes ya eta lakini ekerana arangire tuko ikasa saba ena tebe tunga ngende nyagitaje ko kunga mega life hospital ekerana igetore na nyaro mwana already konyaro kuri asa na batakeira sie kupikosia sinarigererio mwana no tanya kwa kontimbu nyoneri tukerimo ekera gotoka ali past a deep end agotoke deep end anyway ningumeti ningi chanete because no gukumia konene kurusia omwana ore 10 years old omwana orenge risori anete
asege gentungo saba omo CS Okamulu police station na lisi yayo bakore bwango ende bakore investigation bali baretete negligence ase swimming pool yi bayise wabwatu ende baiki uko tini tonyore justice yo mwana yo omoke obwete ka gusira omwana we myaka 10 asege gentu togo saba nkeri na government agencies ya chimuvini speed bakora investigation na ande stop operation che swimming pool kyara bono muchero gusiri abana abange
asaga ende bono iga abana bali emegaria nabo basoka bange oiga nige chinji abana bakore ntu bacha gwiterwa ororo igo na asabire tubwaterane ne community yonsi yo Kisii Nairobi no ren korugusi community leaders bonspi tubwaterane tobame gentekemo erinde tonyale gwikera keri tutagete na intu ense to ya Kenya na ende maigo gwetero bomo nandi gotwara oyo minore bosio na ena boko nyana gwikereire osogote sukwale ngekocha kutangu tuika gwikirororo igontoramo tubwaterane nandi tobegentekemo
na tugosika bosio kurwasia nsemeri ya siasa nigo muraibwe kiama kia ODM umuskira ya Morodinga akuliro kore bikaro na barai kurwachi county OMS ya Kenya abosio bokoraria umusimamo ye ogesiasa asiri tukuria rero ababwatani baye warisku ya omagacho a KICC mocho Nairobi asibaroka ne bare no mogoko monene asibaganyerete okoraria ko muskira ira na boigoruto ase umusimamo ye anena mono umuskira ira ase arache kobeka mayaye ya siasa.
Raila Odinga anatosha, Safina wanatosha, yani leo ni Azimio.
Wancho morigerera okuno kugania babwatari baraira baganyerete sana korende no koege na koito na Chinsa 10 ndocho bakorera jaretera osinto cyo koretera orobotioru asenchira yoboikirano toskare na togosika bosio ni serikali ya chakire amarigania yo gotengera omoyego madaraka de oyogo cyokorekana estarike yemo kira omotinyusta kira omwaka sebono omwako yega moyego yura cyokorekana asegitikia Raila Stadium county ya Homa Bay okwana chinga kya chakya bene obwaga chibwegetiye kyo osiba marigania yo nigo muwaziri bwechigo sori na bwega mangana yabasaye muskesali muvu ateba ni gara chikone kabunigetiye kyo ngo agachukera na gwekera na ekerengo keria keganira sebono mugabara we county ya Homa Bay omusubati Gladys Wanga nere atogi getambukire kyo muraibu ense muske Ruto asokuba bwate sia kogacha egeti ekyo.
And therefore today we have come here officially to hand over the site to the contractor who has already mobilized and has been here for the last 6 days. And therefore I want to take this opportunity to thank Her Excellency Gladys Wanga and the entire county government of Homa Bay for the partnership. And we are here to assure the residents of Homa Bay and Kenyans that this stadium will be ready for Madaraka Day celebrations. And the work that we are doing here, part of it is going to be compliant to Madaraka, but some of it will be compliant to standard sporting activities. Important thing we have told the contractor is that the people of Homa Bay should also feel that this project is here in Homa Bay by being given priority for all the jobs that the contractor is doing here. because Homa Bay here has all the skills. I'm sure there are no skills that we'll be looking for from Nairobi, and we want to encourage the contractor to utilize the youth from this area so that when the stadium is completed, they can also have money in the pockets.
The President promised on 27th of December 2024, and he was here with Right Honorable Raila Odinga, and he promised that this stadium is going to be done. And in keeping with his promise, in keeping that promise, today you have seen the minister here and the contractor on site. So there are those people who wanasema wanapenda propaganda, wanasema oh ya kuna promise hii lakini it's not being kept. As Homa Bay people, this is a promise kept.
Na omowaziri w'ekisemi omusike Julius Migosi ogamba nikainekere abaibori na boigo aborokia abanene b'ekisekondari mune serikali nechikwenda na shilingi bilioni 14 gochia ase chiskuru eche sekondari mapema bwango ose bwango igasabana tabechwese echo nigo chirache gokonya gokora emerobire yetamu entangani omwako yigasabana boliri aborokia abanene tibatuma aboroki wanga bunenchira yamoyo kubaseria school fees.
Funding model, as you are aware, the president had formed a team that was reviewing, the presidential review team that was formed in September last year. It has done a fantastic job in reviewing and taking into account all those issues that Kenyans raised, including what was raised in that court case, so that what now is going to be debated, what is going to come out is a model that is fit for purpose. So that report is being completed. They are finalizing it. Once it is finalized, we'll discuss their recommendations therein and how they have dealt with the teething problems that were there in the previous model. So we are doing something on that aspect so that come September, when the new cohort is joining, they will be utilizing a model that is fit for purpose, that does not have the challenges that the previous model had. I had indicated that capitation was released, but there is a shortfall. There is a balance of 14 billion, which the ministry is working very, very closely with Treasury to ensure that it is released. We've liaised and we've talked to our head teachers not to send the students home because it is not the parents who pay the school fees. The school fees is paid through the capitation from our government. So we are doing everything we can to ensure that that 14 billion balance is released very, very soon. We are hoping that it will be released by next week. And I can assure you that even as of yesterday, my team from the ministry was in Treasury trying to find out whether there are enough resources so that that capitation can be released. So I just want to assure the country that as a government we are doing something about the release of that capitation.
Chief Justice Omokoro Moske David Maraga ni gaboria banasiasa na boiga baraibonsi kosika ebigambiro segosikari chikobu ni nchire ya moyo kororobya obugambi imensi ya Kenya asebono amochire kongusanana okuko abiriko kwainekirwa ase ebigambiro imensi bwangoiga.
Quite a number of political leaders come with vested interests. They want to use their positions for personal gain, and as a result, they come up with quite a number of false theories that don't work, and that's where the problems are. And in a democracy, you need the judiciary, you need the legislature, and you need the executive, as well as independent commissions, to play their role and operate within their spheres of influence, and we'll have a very good country.
Na hatogo chigokora ni igao igatia barai bari wakumubwatise murai wense muske Dr. William Samoei Ruto wakorawa no muske Aaron Cheruiyot oyore murai bwa barabangi ase bungeri Senate bamochire oyo kabero morokonye bo murai wense ya Kenya mokoro omuske Rigathi Gachagua ase chingwana chae chokogendera komochia omuske Ruto ase bana baburia ba Kenya komubwatisia omuske Ruto na boego wanchirana emirobiri aretremiense bunenchireyemo yogikirania magendo na chira ririte abakenya.
Ile Rigathi Gachagua anaongea kila Jumapili. Na kile inanishangaza ni kwamba hiyo maneno inaongelewa kwa makanisa. Ningependa hata kuhimiza makanisa yetu. Wewe saa ile unaalika mtu na unajua hatoi mchango, hatoi sadaka, hakuji kusema chochote ya kusaidia kanisa, anakimbia tu kanisa kumwaga fitina na uongo the whole time, na wewe unamwalika akuja afanye mambo kama hiyo. Hata wewe kama pastor sidhani unafanya heshima ile ambayo inafaa. Hii maneno ambayo unaongelea yote ati hii ilikuwa wakati wewe ulikuwa deputy president, mbona huko unasema hiyo maneno? Saa hii ndio unagundua ati kuna sijui nini ama nini. Mimi nataka nikuhakikishie program zote za serikali kuanzia SHA, affordable housing na nini zitafaulu, kwa sababu mipango hiyo imepangwa kwa manufaa ya wananchi wa taifa letu la Kenya.
Economy yetu tulipata iko chini, but right now we have improved our economy and right now it's going to be steady. So ningependa tu kuomba wananchi, ninaona makelele huku na kule, na wacha niwaambie mambo ya siasa haijafika mpaka kule 2027. Kwa hivyo tufanye kazi, na ningependa kusema tumuunge mkono Mheshimiwa Rais ambaye hako kipao mbele kwa mambo ya masomo, kwa mambo mengi kuhusu mambo ya maendeleo katika taifa letu.
Tunasema unaona tumelainisha maneno ya kilimo, tumelainisha maneno ya elimu tena na tumeweka maneno ya barabara hapo, tunaendelea na maneno ya SHA na tutamaliza na wakati ule ya kulete marking scheme. Wale wenye wanapiga
Mwancho murigereria na haraje na kwariganirite kuri SMS Ekeonga Chinsa Isano na Ibere ritukirigare Juma asenchira yobwenge kunde chikoraga Chinsa 10 ninchikira na gaiga SMS Ekeonga ngoretera ayamuna yande asenchira yobwenge boigo nchengatire ni Nyaboga Kevin Ongeri nerogenete kwenekia una chibiche chigana Mario Gingo ikirachira asenchira yobwikira no toskari twakuganire burigere burobya asemeruri ya Getembe TV eraje gosoya sembyo aseka gitarigika.
Getembe Television Ekeonga Kiamamogusi. Eduka ya wamo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka cholide ili kubatoka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyuere company namba yemo iyo karose chirangi menyenseyiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira soko raisia ebintu buriya bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi ejo boyiko chire chechi brand ao ejo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao nabono babwate chirangi cyo kwa imeye nyumba isiko ya nyumba chire chikomentera nibwa amavuta yani oil na bwigo chiriya chia mache inyaranga chirangi chiga nigo chire korwase chire chiri guririke iriya gatigati wekari guri iriya bantabati bwigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo bwochoganya chirangi wekabuno raganye bwochoganire erangiriga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na bwokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwa yenyora bwikirano tutarire rero eribwe nyorere abamanyi nabwigo enyekenga enyumba yao use asomete use chire chibiasara nchibwato korolekana ukuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduka yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yerotoka se enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imiyumu chuyigo musongo eyueranga neduka ya Safaricom Mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere angene wingi ya Credit Bank asamange bakiresi mbweterase chinamba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani. Getembe Television Ekeonga Kiamamogusi.